Looking for high performance without breaking the bank? The best low-cost GPU delivers impressive graphics and smooth gameplay, perfect for budget-conscious gamers and creators. Experience reliable power, efficient cooling, and excellent value in one compact package. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. GIGABYTE GeForce RTX. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX is a powerhouse for gamers and content creators who demand high-end performance. Built on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture and featuring the advanced DLSS 4 technology, this GPU delivers smooth, realistic graphics and accelerated rendering for even the most demanding applications. Powered by the GeForce RTX 5060, it provides impressive computing performance while maintaining efficiency and stability. The card comes equipped with 8 GB of GDDR7 memory on a 128-bit interface, ensuring fast and responsive performance for gaming, video editing, and 3D rendering. With its combination of next-generation architecture, robust memory, and multiple display support, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX strikes a balance between raw power and versatility. It is suitable for high-resolution gaming, creative work, and future-proof PC builds, providing users with a reliable graphics solution that doesn't compromise on performance or quality. For anyone seeking a premium GPU experience, this model offers top-tier capabilities without unnecessary complexity. Number 2. Maxsun GeForce RTX. The Maxsun GeForce RTX 3050 is a compact yet capable GPU designed for gamers and small form-factor PC builders. Powered by NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, it brings substantial performance improvements, enhanced ray tracing capabilities, and AI-driven DLSS support for sharper visuals with minimal performance cost. The card features 6 GB of GDDR6 memory running at 14,000 MHz on a 96-bit interface, providing fast data processing and smooth frame rates even in demanding games. Connectivity options include HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4a, supporting 8K output and multi-monitor setups for immersive experiences. The Maxsun GeForce RTX 3050 combines efficient cooling, strong graphics performance, and small footprint convenience, making it an excellent choice for gamers looking to upgrade their system within tight spaces or build a compact AI-powered PC. This card balances performance, portability, and affordability, offering solid value for a wide range of users. Number 3. Maxsun AMD Radeon RX. The Maxsun AMD Radeon RX is a reliable, compact graphics card that offers solid performance for small form-factor PCs and home theater systems. Featuring the AMD Radeon RX 550 chipset, it is built with silver-plated PCB and all-solid capacitors to ensure lower operating temperatures, greater efficiency, and enhanced stability. The DPU includes 512 stream processors and GDDR5 high-speed video memory capable of speeds up to 6,000 MHz, delivering smooth gameplay, seamless video playback, and efficient application performance. For users seeking a cost-effective graphic solution without sacrificing reliability, the Maxsun AMD Radeon RX is an excellent choice. It provides a balance between compact design, energy efficiency, and capable graphics performance, making it perfect for casual gaming, multimedia consumption, and small-scale content creation, all while maintaining affordability and ease of installation. Number 4. GeForce GT 730. The GeForce GT 730 is a budget-friendly graphics card that delivers stable performance for casual gaming, office work, and multimedia applications. Powered by NVIDIA's GK208 chipset and built on a 28-nanometer process, it features a 902 MHz core frequency alongside 4 GB of DDR3 memory on a 64-bit bus, providing reliable and consistent performance for light to moderate graphical tasks. Its half-height design and included low-profile bracket make it compatible with small form-factor cases, HTPCs, and traditional towers, ensuring versatility across different builds. Automatic driver installation simplifies setup, and its energy-efficient design keeps operating temperatures low.
While not suited for high-end gaming, the GeForce GT 730 excels as a dependable entry-level GPU for everyday computing, media streaming, and multi-display setups, providing an affordable option for users who need essential graphics functionality without investing in high-end hardware.
Number 5. MSI Gaming GeForce GT. The MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1030 is a compact, budget-conscious graphics card designed for casual gamers and media enthusiasts. Featuring the GeForce GT 1030 chipset, it delivers solid performance for light gaming, video playback, and productivity tasks. With a boost clock of 1,430 MHz and 4 GB of DDR4 memory on a 64-bit interface, the GPU ensures smooth frame rates in less demanding games while maintaining low power consumption. Its multiple output options, including 3 display ports, 1.4a, and 1 HDMI 2.1a port, support multi-monitor setups and high-resolution displays, makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious users who want a capable GPU without unnecessary complexity, offering a practical solution for small-scale computing needs. Whether you're building a compact PC, upgrading an existing setup, or seeking budget-friendly performance, these GPUs offer a perfect balance of power, efficiency, and affordability. From casual gaming to multimedia tasks, each option delivers reliable graphics performance, ensuring smooth visuals, multi-monitor support, and value-driven solutions for every user.